Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Supabase in VS Code. We'll explore how the Supabase extension for Visual Studio Code brings your database management right into your development environment. This powerful integration allows you to interact with your Supabase projects without ever leaving your code editor, streamlining your workflow and boosting your productivity. We'll look at the key features and benefits this offers, helping you decide if it's the right tool for your development needs. Working with Supabase inside VS Code offers numerous advantages. You can execute SQL queries and see results instantly, manage your database schema, and even view real-time data updates, all from one window. This eliminates the need to constantly switch between applications, saving you valuable time. Imagine making dozens of schema changes or running hundreds of queries without ever leaving your familiar coding environment. It truly unifies your development experience. While the VS Code extension is fantastic for developers, Supabase Studio, the web-based interface, has its own strengths. It offers a comprehensive visual dashboard for managing your entire project, from authentication to storage. You can easily browse tables, run SQL, and configure settings with a user-friendly graphical interface. For tasks like initial project setup, reviewing data at a high level, or managing user roles, Studio provides an intuitive and powerful experience, perfect for a quick overview. So, which is better? The answer often depends on your task. The VS Code extension is superb for deep development work, allowing you to iterate quickly on your code and database simultaneously. Supabase Studio shines for visual administration, initial setup, and when you need a broad overview. Many developers find the most efficient workflow involves using both, switching between them as needed. Ultimately, the best choice is the one that empowers you to be most productive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.